Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am bringing you an expression crochet hair segment. This will be the Springy Afro twist, but I'm doing it a little differently this time. I'm using the color 2T1B/425 and it is pre-separated and pre-fluffed. I do love this color. It's very different from me and I'm very excited to see what the final look is gonna be. Each pack has 3 bundles. That is all I will need for this hairstyle. I am following the usual steps that I follow whenever I'm crocheting my hair. I've not changed anything. All the steps are still pretty much the same. I loop the needle through the hair, I hook the hair in, and I pass it through and secure it. So as you can see here, I am doing that and repeating the steps all over again until I basically finish the entire head. Here I am focusing at the front and making sure that I do the invisible method. I am looping the hair differently, as you might notice, and I am simply securing it, so it's kind of difficult to explain in this section, but basically you're creating a very seamless invisible line. It almost looks like your natural hair, and I will loop the hair, separate the two, and pull it in the opposite direction, if that makes sense. It's just a lot of hair. Ooh, child. I think once I get to the front, this is my favorite part ever because I know I'm almost done. This time it actually did not take me very long. I did the entire head in about 44 minutes, but I did go back in and then I had to kind of adjust some things to make it look how I wanted it to look. I'm really starting to feel it. Y'all can see it's a whole bunch of hair. And then I go in with a scissors. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I'm just cutting it at an angle so I can have less of the volume, but almost like a tapered cut. That was my intention for this section. So yeah, so I have no real plan, no real method. I'm just going in however it fits my face and I'm just cutting. And it's pretty easy to cut once you know it's not your own hair. So yeah, there's that. And then I just continue until I am satisfied with the volume as well as the tapered look. For this section, I am just going in and twisting the hair in big chunky twists so I can get a little more definition and a little less volume, so it could be tighter and kind of more defined whenever I take it out. So I am just repeating the twists, 2-strand twists all over the hair. It actually looks like it could be mine and I love it. And we are back. I feel like it is more defined. It suits my face. I love the final look, and that is what it is looking like. I am loving it, y'all. If y'all cannot tell, I really do like it. I think it looks great, and I love the color that I selected. And that is it. See you guys soon. Bye bye.